お前はもう死んでいる。何?
What up, TNE crew? We back. Hopefully we stay active this time. I know it's been a while since we actually did a video, probably about 2 years with the spacing. Now, I put it on. We actually did some work with it, and that thing, hey, that thing is unbelievable. Just the spacer alone, it definitely made a big difference. Even untuned, it made a big difference. So, but as you can see, Genesis engine is completely gone. We have the frame drop, and we got the new frames. New frames that we're gonna be putting on. And for you guys asking why am I putting on a new frame, this of course is the BK2 frame over there, BK2, and this one is the BK1. The reason why we're having the BK1 frame put on today is for the simple fact with the BK2 frames, they do not have steel motor mounts. So the best way to go for you guys is actually building your Genesis, and you're trying to build it the right way. Get a BK1, therefore you can be able to get the steel motor mounts in. Everything will bolt right up, so you don't need nothing extra. You just can change it out, swap it out. It's interchangeable. So.
I thought my boy for the. I was gonna say, bro.
You thought what?
I was gonna say, bro, it ain't finna happen.
What?
You can sit there as long as you want.
You thought that motherfucker started?
Hell no. You can try. I'll start it.
That's some funny shit.
Trial and error is life. The Genesis will be alive sooner than later. And hey, we'll be smoking the streets and be prepared.